Hi there, and welcome to David Thom Creations. Today I'm going to do a quick look at these new headphones I got. They are Oneodio Fusion A71s, and they are a replacement for my old radio packs, which eventually broke. So you get pretty good package of items. The headphones, you get a pouch, you get a 3.5mm audio cable with a mic, get a dual duty cable, 6.35 and 3.5mm sockets, which is quite unusual, and a fairly useless user guide. So these have got 40mm speakers, sensitivity is 110 dB, plus or minus 3, and the rating power is 30 milliwatts. So it's a new make that I've not really kind of seen, but I got them on eBay for around about £25, which, considering what you get with it, is pretty good. So we'll have a look. So these are the headphones. We've got obviously size adjusters, and they fold kind of flat-ish. So yeah, not really completely flat, but so that is your left and right, and they're pretty well padded, and they are, you know, they cover your whole ear, so they're actually pretty good at noise cancelling. So these are the cables, so you get your 1/4" TRS and your 3.5, so that goes in the gold side, so and that can go obviously into pretty much anything: computer, iPad, phone, whatever. And then you can also switch this over, so if you had an audio interface, you can put these in here, which is really tight, and then this can go into your audio interface jack, which when I eventually get my audio interface, that's what I will be doing. Those are really tight. Plus you also get this rather nifty boom mic. And it has an adjustable mic, you can see that, plus it has a remote control, so you can pause play, you can switch the mic on and off, and it has a volume adjustment on the side, so that's actually pretty cool. And I've had a quick test of this, just doing a recording using QuickTime, and it seems pretty good. So the next, because the next video I'm going to do is can have a look at Analog Dreams plugin for Native Instruments. So I'm going to try recording the whole thing using this boom mic, and see how it goes instead of my my Rode. Plus, like I said, you get this pouch, which is pretty good for keeping all the cables in, and you get a manual which really does not say an awful lot. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Right, so final thoughts on these headphones are definitely worth the money. Like I said, I'm going to give them a good test with the mic and see how that works. But yeah, they're really nicely finished, and they're you know, they're a kind of mixture of plastic and metal, but they're certainly not too heavy, which is quite good. But yeah, I like them. And like I said, you get that's basically all the accessories. You've got your mic, your quarter-inch jack, and your headphone splitter, and the carry pouch, which basically just means you can put all this in it. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. And certainly from a sound quality, music wise, they're really good. And yeah, and they fold up on it. So yeah, pretty good. Good value for money. So if you are thinking of getting a pair of headphones, I would certainly recommend these. I'll put a link in the description. Like I said, I got them on eBay. I don't make any money. I've got affiliate links. So you know, if you want to buy them, carry on. But yeah, like I said, definitely worth the money. That's your box, and apparently if you register, you get an extra to register for free 2 years extended warranty, which probably is worth doing, because like I said, you can get through headphones quite quickly if you are not careful. So yeah, here we go. That is what you're getting. So I will see you in the next video. Like I said, hopefully it's going to be another music one. So I will see you then.